Hey podcasters, this is Keith from Podpal. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to view and manage your Podpal profile. Okay, let's get started. Once you're signed into Podpal, you can access your profile from anywhere in the app by going to the top navigation, clicking your profile picture, and then clicking Account Settings. Inside of Account Settings, you can add or update your profile picture and personal information. Adding or updating your username will generate a link to your public profile, so make sure to share this with your friends and fans. You can also add and update a written bio, and personalize your profile even more with an audio bio and accent color. This will show up on your public profile, so use this area to be creative and let other podcasters and fans know more about you. And don't forget to keep your social media accounts up to date so that podcasters and fans can follow you on your preferred platforms. When you're done making changes, always make sure to hit the save button below. Now, we'd hate to see you go, but if you need to delete your profile, click the delete account button and follow the steps. But when you delete your account, you'll lose any podcast, recordings, and other data you've added to Podpal. If you need more help or want to learn more about Podpal's features, you can click on any question mark icon. Okay, that's all. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials so you can become a Podpal expert.